Hi, this is the CAD-CAM Lessons channel, and today this video will be a little different. Usually I talk about FreeCAD and 3D modeling, but today I want to talk about something physical, something for a small workshop, and I think this can still be interesting for many FreeCAD users, because many people who use FreeCAD also make real things. They design parts for 3D printing, they repair things at home, they build small DIY projects, they cut, drill, sand, glue, and test different ideas. And when you start making real things, you quickly need a good place to work. And this is why today I want to show you my first impression of the Worx work table. This is not a full review. I have not used this table for months. This is only my first contact with it. I bought it for my small garage and I want to see if it makes sense for simple home projects and small DIY workshop. And this is not a sponsored video. I bought this table with my own money for my own small garage. I just want to share my first impression because I know some people may look for a table like this, but may also be afraid that a plastic work table will feel weak. Some time ago I started to clean my garage and I quickly saw one problem. I don't have much space. I have a small garage and I want to use it also as a small workshop, but I cannot put a big heavy workbench there. I don't have enough room for that. So I started looking for tools and accessories that can help me in a small workshop. I'm not looking for professional tools. I'm not a builder. I'm not doing heavy work every day. I just want to do simple things at home. Small repairs, small DIY projects, maybe some small cutting, drilling, sanding, or working with small parts. So for me, the tool doesn't need to be the best tool in the world, but it must work. And this is important because I also don't like very cheap tools. I had some bad experience with very cheap tools. In theory, you can do something with them, but in real life, they often make simple work harder. Something moves, something bends, something doesn't hold the part, and after a few minutes you are not working anymore and you are just angry. So when I was looking for a work table, I had the same problem. On one side, I wanted something not too expensive, but on the other side, I didn't want something too cheap and too weak. I wanted a table that is stable, a table that doesn't move too much, a table that I can fold and move, and a table that I can use in a small garage. And then I found this Worx work table. At first, I was not sure, because when you see it in pictures, you can think, okay, this is mostly plastic, maybe it looks nice, but is it really strong? I had this question in my head. I saw many plastic work tables before, sometimes on a construction site or when someone was doing some work at home, and very often they didn't look very good. Maybe they were old, maybe they were used too much, maybe people used them in a very hard way, but they often looked weak. They moved a lot and they didn't give me a feeling of a solid tool. So I was a little afraid that this table would be the same, but I also saw many good opinions online. A lot of people were happy with it and the price was still okay for me. It was not the cheapest table, but it was also not crazy expensive. So I bought it and I have to say my first impression was very positive. When I opened the box and unfolded the table, I was surprised. I didn't expect a plastic work table to feel so solid. Of course, it is not a big heavy steel workbench, I know that, but for a folding table, it feels very good. It doesn't feel like a toy. It doesn't feel like something that will break after 5 minutes. It feels stable, it feels stiff, and when I put my hands on it, it doesn't move in a strange way. This was the first thing I liked. The second thing is how easy it is to use. You can unfold it very fast, you can fold it very fast. It really takes only a few seconds, and this is a big thing for me, because in a small garage, every tool must have its place. If something something is too big, I will not use it. If something is hard to set up, I will not use it. But this table is easy. I can take it out, open it, do some work, fold it and put it away. This is exactly what I wanted. And what I also like is that I can use only half of the tabletop. This is a very simple thing, but for me it is very useful. Sometimes I don't need the full work surface. Sometimes I only need a small place to put a part, hold something or do a quick job. Then I can open only one side and the table takes less space. In a small workshop this is very helpful. The table can also work like a sawhorse, and I think this can be very useful too. If you have two tables, you can connect them, or you can use two tables as two supports. So for longer pieces of wood or for some simple cutting, this can be a nice setup. I don't have two tables now, but I can see why some people buy two. The table is also not too heavy. It has some weight, but this is good because it gives a feeling that the table is stable, but at the same time it is not so heavy that it is hard to move. For me, this balance is very good. It is light enough to carry, but heavy enough to feel solid. In the box there are also clamps, and I have to say they are a nice bonus. I didn't buy this table because of the clamps. For me the main reason was the table itself. I wanted a folding work table at a good price with good opinions, but the clamps are useful. They are quite big, they work with the table. There are special places where you can put them, so you can hold the part on the table in different positions. I don't think these are the best clamps in the world, but for home use, for DIY work and for simple projects, I think they will be enough. And the most important thing is that they are ready to use with this table. This makes the table more useful from the first day. There are also small stops or bench docks that you can put into the holes in the tabletop. This can help when you want to hold the piece in place. Again, this is not something super advanced, but it is useful, and for home workshop, useful is often more important than perfect. Another thing I like is the price to quality ratio. For me, this is the most important point here. When I buy a tool like this, I don't ask, is this the best table on the market? I ask a different question, is it good for the money? And for me, this Worx table looks very good in this area. It is not the cheapest option, but I think if I bought a much cheaper table, I would probably regret it. Maybe I would have a table, but I would not use it much because it would move too much or feel too weak or make simple work annoying. Here I feel that I will really use it, and this is the difference. A cheap tool is only cheap if you use it and it works. If it stays in the corner because it is bad, then it is not cheap anymore. It is just wasted money. With this table I feel that I bought something that will help me. I also thought about making my own workbench. For example, I could buy a furniture board, add strong legs and make a simple table, and maybe it would be stronger, maybe it would be better for some work, but it would also take more space, it would be harder to move, and it would be more like a fixed table. For my garage, this is not the best solution right now. I need something that I can appear when I need it and disappear when I'm done. And this table does exactly that. Of course, I don't want to say that this table is perfect for everyone. If you work on a construction site every day and you use your tool very hard, maybe you will see some weak points after some time. Maybe if you put a lot of weight on it or throw it around or use it in bad conditions, something can break. It is still a folding table. It is still mostly plastic, so I would not treat it like a heavy industrial workbench, but for my use, this is not a problem. I want to use it for light work, simple home projects, small repairs, small workshop tasks, and for this I think it is more than enough. The plastic feels thick, the whole table feels stable, the folding system works well, and I don't see anything that looks like it will break soon. Maybe after a few months I will have more to say. This is only my first impression, but my first impression is very good. I was afraid that this table would feel cheap, but it doesn't. I was afraid that it would move too much, but it feels stable. I was afraid that it would be one of those tools that looks good online but is disappointing in real life. But this time I think the good opinions make sense. I can believe that many people are happy with this table, and I'm happy too. For me, this is a very good tool for a small workshop. It gives me a real work surface, but it doesn't take much space when I don't use it. It is easy to fold, easy to move, easy to store, and it feels much better than I expected. So my first impression is simple. If you need a small folding work table for home use, for simple DIY work, or for a small garage, this Worx table is very interesting option. It is not a professional heavy workbench, but it is also not a weak toy. It is somewhere in the middle, and for many people, including me, this middle is exactly the right place. I bought it because I needed more order and more working space in my garage, and now after the first use I feel that it was a good choice. I think this table will make many simple jobs easier, and for me this is what a good workshop tool should do.